I'm gonna get you. Oh no! Oh no! I got you!
Good morning. It is a beautiful sunny Halloween morning here in Virginia. It's going to make for some good trick-or-treating tonight. But before that, got to take care of a little bit of grooming. This is really long for my hair. I've been shaving my head. I mean, this is, if I can wake up, my rule is if I can wake up and in the morning and see like that I've been sleeping, it's too long. So I'm outside, got an extension cord running over to the rig here. And I like doing this outside because I just shave it off and it kind of gets blown away and, you know, birds use it or whatever. So very, very easy cleanup. Then I'll be all done and then we'll figure out what's going on with my face.
So Brian does a lovely job of most of this, but he always misses like large swaths of his hair.
Large swaths?
Sometimes.
Large swaths.
Sometimes there's large swaths.
You know, I can't really see what I'm doing.
Yeah, right now you've got kind of a mohawk going on.
Well, I haven't gotten up to the center yet.
Yeah, well, that's why there's a mohawk going on. All that blonde hair just going all over the place.
It's gray.
Well.
It looks blonde when it's on me, but as soon as it's off, it's like slate gray.
Yeah, it's weird.
I think I've done an okay job. Aaron is saying no.
You've got most of it. You have
Yeah.
most of it, but
at this point, like if I tried to finish it, I would basically be doing the entire thing over again.
yeah.
So I can't see what I'm doing. Head back to normal. See? Nice and short. Nothing up there. Feels good. Feels really good. Back to normal. Okay, so what are we doing now?
Shave it all off.
She wants me to take my entire beard off.
Yes!
We were trying to figure out, I've had it down to like a goatee a lot more recently.
Yeah.
But we don't think I've had it all the way off since before Brooke was born.
Which is like more than 4 years ago.
Yeah, so over 4 years. Nice thing about it is if I don't like it, it grows back.
Right?
Yeah. I don't see me keeping it off
Well, probably not,
for
but
long. I'm just too lazy. I am not a shave every day or 3 or 4 times a week person.
let's see what
It's just
happens.
not gonna happen, so.
Let's see.
Okay, so let's go ahead and take it off.
Let's do it. Look at that face.
This thing's a beast. Like, that was 30 seconds. And that was a lot of hair. Holy cow. Everywhere. That's only like a third of my face. But this thing was just like, just right through it like butter. It was awesome. It's the Philips Norelco 1 blade. I've been using this for a while because, you know, this is that's the length I would do my beard before. Just whatever their number 5 is. But yeah,
I think you have it a little easier too because you are a true blonde.
Yeah.
And so,
yeah.
you know, yes,
Yeah,
your
no,
facial
I
hair
am-
grows in thick, but it's not.
I am under no illusions that I have it anywhere near as bad as some guys, because some guys, like some friends of ours, they'll shave all the way down in the morning and then by like noon it looks like they've shaved with like a 1 guard.
Yeah.
So I can be lazy with my face because it doesn't look really bad. It looks intentional. Ben has never seen me with a clean face.
Yeah.
We don't think Brooke has seen me with a clean
No.
face. We're not expecting one of those like baby reactions to
No.
like, wah, like where'd daddy go? Like we're not expecting that. But they have no idea that I'm out here doing this. The windows are closed. I'm sure Tara's gonna go, oh my God.
Yeah, something like that. Got to come over here and ask Daddy. Yes?
Daddy, can we go to the fancy thing? Please? Please, Daddy?
Nothing?
Nothing.
No reaction whatsoever.
Nothing. No
Wow.
reaction. What do you think, Tara?
I don't like it.
You don't like it?
No, I don't.
You want Daddy to have his beard back?
Yeah.
It'll grow back. Why don't you like it?
What don't you like about it?
What don't you like?
I just don't like it.
Is it just weird?
Yeah. Now can we go to the big jumpy thing? They're like peanuts.
It smells like onions.
Yeah, they're like onions.
She said peanuts.
I know.
Okay.
It smells like onions.
Oh, okay.
Doesn't smell like peanuts.
Okay. No reaction.
Like none at all. He's just
None.
like, can I go to the playground?
Can we go to the
Rick,
big
oh, is that
jumpy
my
thing?
face? Is my face on the ground? Do you like it?
No.
No, come here. Brookie, come here. Can you give me a kiss right here?
No, it's weird.
Oh man, I'm not gonna get kisses.
Aww. Aww, Daddy looks sad. You look so different.
My face is very cold.
Is it?
It's very windy. You know the funniest thing?
What is?
I remember last time that I didn't have anything here.
Mm-hmm.
I could blow into my nose.
What?
Can blow into his nose.
Yeah, I mean, with the mustache there, oh.
Do you like Daddy without his beard? Why not?
I just don't like it.
Does it just look weird?
Yes.
You're just not used to it?
Yeah.
Do you want him to grow his beard back?
Yes. But not as long as Uncle Tom's.
No.
No.
We're going to Grandma's. We're going to get ready there so she can see the girls and everybody dressed up. We're going to leave Ben with Grandma. He is only 2.
He's already been trick-or-treating twice.
He's already been trick-or-treating twice, and our old neighborhood is huge. It takes the whole 2 hours of trick-or-treating from 6 to 8 for us to get back to starting point.
It's dark.
And it's very dark, and the kids usually run from house to house, and it's a lot of just keeping up with them.
And he's been like, the 2 trick-or-treatings that we've been on these past 2 Saturdays, he's like leaving us. Like,
Yes.
he ends up like with a group ahead of us of like other small kids and stuff, which is fine when we're trick-or-treating from 4 to 6 o'clock because
Right.
it's light out like
Light
now.
out, yeah.
But in the neighborhood, there's like big throngs of kids walking around, and these small, and also because we're not going to be like near the rig, we can't just
Bring him back.
bail out and bring him back and have one of us bring him back and one of us finish up with the girls,
Right.
like we've done when we
Brooke,
lived there.
yeah. Mhm.
Like when we lived in the neighborhood, like when Brooke was a lot smaller, it was like, all right, she made it halfway, just beeline back to the house and wait for everybody else to finish. We don't really have that option.
So we're trying to make this as less stressful on everybody as possible. Brooke will be able to hang with the big kids, no problem, and it'll be fine. So it'll just be, we were just a little worried about Ben. So Grandma said that she would take him for us during trick-or-treating, and then we'll scoop him up afterwards and bring him home with us.
Halloween part 3.
Halloween part 3, back in our neighborhood. This
Yep.
is our old house.
That's
right
our old
here.
house right there. Weird. Yeah, so we came back here to go trick-or-treating with our neighbors and friends. So Brookie is Merida this time.
Brookie is baby Merida. Where's
Yeah.
Brooke,
We figured it would be a little
say hi.
Brookie, are you scared of me?
Sarah is cheerleading firefighter?
No, a
No?
dead birthday girl.
A dead birth. Did you die on your birthday?
Yes, I
That's
actually
tragic.
did. I got blown up by fireworks. Because her family's
Oh.
rich and everything. Yeah, on my 9th birthday.
Oh, so you had fireworks for your birthday
Yeah.
and it backfired. And what are you?
You see, that's actually a good question. We're supposed
I
to
know what
be
you are.
Donna.
I know, you're
Donna.
Donna.
Who's Donna?
From Mamma Mia.
Yeah, she's the mom,
Oh,
but not in this form.
The
so you're Meryl
young
Streep?
one.
You're
The
young Meryl
one.
Streep?
Yeah. I'm gonna get you. Oh no! Oh no! I got you!
Alright, a quick run back down to the van before trick-or-treating. Brought out the big camera, but I've got the nifty 50 on here so we could get some good photos of the kids and the other stuff going on up there. So I'll drop a couple of those in right here. So I love using the 50 for photos because the background gets all blown out really well. It looks really, really good. Not so great for video though. So put that guy back in the van and then we'll stick with this until we run out of light.
6 o'clock!
All right, guys.
All right, honey, what's your candy tax?
Candy tax?
Yep.
All the almond joys.
All the almond joys.
Oh, I love this. Look at this child. Love
Not even from our own children. Look at that. I like Reese's. Anything with peanut butter.
Happy Halloween.
Oh yeah. Nice. Starting it off right.
This is the 3rd time we've filled both of these bowls. We separate the chocolate from the fruitiness. And if you don't, then you're crazy people.
And
And we pull out all the lollipops.
lollipops and
Lollipops
Tootsie
go in
Rolls
the van.
or Tootsie Pops and all that stuff.
Yeah, suckers go in the van. Thanks for watching today. Hope you had a happy Halloween. whether you gave out candy or hid in your house or walked around with kids. We will see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Visit us at 5togo.com to learn a little bit more about us, or check out our family page on patreon.com/5togo. Oh, one more thing. Do you like Brian's face? Brian doesn't like it when he shaves. I love it. I love it. So, we'll see how long it lasts. The kids don't like it. You know, it is what it is. We'll see. But comment down below whether you like it or not. But be nice. Be sensitive. Okay, bye.